Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Science Daily. Today we are talking about a challenge that's out of this world, literally. It's the problem of space debris, and it's one that all space-faring nations must face together. Two countries outside of Europe, New Zealand and Mexico, have become the latest to sign the Zero Debris Charter, joining a growing movement to ensure the safety and sustainability of our space environment. Dr. Salvador Landeros Ayala, General Director of the Mexican Space Agency, says that this charter signals Europe's commitment to leading the world in reducing space debris. Though Mexico doesn't yet have a national framework, they are committed to developing mechanisms for future sustainability in space. Meanwhile, New Zealand Space Agency head Ian Kessler mentioned how New Zealand is focused on the peaceful, safe and sustainable use of space. The country even supports active debris removal missions, launching from their shores, a critical step in making space safer for everyone. The Zero Debris Charter is quickly becoming a global movement. Since its launch in 2023, the Charter has now 15 countries and more than 100 entities signed up, all working towards one shared goal: zero debris in space by 2030. Now, why this is so important? Well, let me introduce you to the Kessler syndrome, a theory proposed back in 1978 by NASA scientists Donald Kessler and Burton Coor-Pellais. It predicts that if we keep adding satellites and space junk without proper management, we could reach a point where debris collisions spiral out of control. If you have seen the movie Gravity, you have witnessed a dramatic portrayal of this theory in action. The debris chain reaction in the movie represents what scientists fear might happen in real life. As Professor John L. Crasidis from the University of Buffalo explains, the Kessler syndrome is a very real possibility, and if debris continues to accumulate, it could become too dangerous to launch new satellites or even maintain our current ones. Imagine a world without GPS, weather forecasts, or global communications, because that's the risk we face. So how do we prevent this? The good news is that organizations like the European Space Agency are working towards becoming debris neutral by 2030 and aiming to repurpose old satellites by 2050. Plus, innovative solutions like recycling space debris are emerging, offering sustainable long-term solutions. Space might seem infinite, but our use of it needs careful management. Efforts like the Zero Debris Charter give us hope that the Kessler syndrome can be prevented, ensuring that we can continue to explore space safely and sustainably. And that's all for today's Simple Science Daily. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into the science that shapes our world and beyond. Stay curious, and until next time, goodbye and thank you.